Limiting U.S. citizenship only to children born on American soil and to lawful permanent residents. That was President Trump's promise on the campaign trail. And on his first day in office, he signed an executive order in hopes of implementing the policy. Federal courts have uniformly blocked President Trump's order. But now the issue is in the hands of the Supreme Court, where justices heard oral arguments in the case yesterday. Joining us now to talk about this case is Professor Michael Leroy with the University of Illinois College of Law. First, thank you, Professor, for joining us. So from the arguments yesterday, does it appear that the majority of the justices are ready to move away from upholding birthright citizenship?
Oh, they appear to be conflicted, and they're focused on a procedural issue. That's whether a lower court, a district court, can issue a nationwide injunction. But as soon as that procedural issue is decided, it opens the door to revisiting a precedent from 1898 and the congressional history from 1866, and opening that door would undo potentially 160 years of a very settled understanding that any person born in the United States is a United States citizen.
Now let's talk about how Illinois plays into this, because birthright citizenship actually has strong ties to the state, right, Professor?
It does. So the proponent, the sponsor of this bill was Lyman Trumbull. He was a progressive Democrat. He was actually a Republican, but today he would sound like a Dick Durbin kind of individual. He debated with two senators, primarily a senator from Pennsylvania, Senator Cowan. It feels like a Durbin versus Lindsey Graham debate, and the votes clearly aligned with the Illinois senator. That has been the settled meaning and understanding since 1866.
And lastly here, Professor, do we have any idea how long it might take to the court ruling on this?
It appears they'll have an initial ruling in 1 to 3 months. And the real issue is, will it be narrow, or will they open the Pandora's box here?
All right. Well, thank you, Professor Michael Leroy with the University of Illinois College of Law. We always appreciate your insight.